How to roll groove pipe with Blue Rocks PTM-300 pipe threading machine. Today I'm attaching this roll grooving tool to Blue Rocks PTM-300 pipe threading machine, and I'm going to show you how to roll groove pipe. So if you're installing a sprinkler system or some mechanical piping and you need to have that groove in that pipe, you know how to do it. You're watching HVAC Tips for Technicians. I'm Tad, this is Taddy Digest. Let's go. First thing we're going to cover is how to attach the roll grooving tool to the PTM-300. So first, we have to remove this lever and the carriage assembly. So slide it off of the rails, and then we're just going to set it down and be careful not to destroy it. Then we're going to pick up the roll grooving attachment. We're going to slide these two slots over the rails. And then we're going to line up our front chuck here with the flat side. We're going to tighten it. So we got the flat side of the shaft lined up with the chuck. We tighten down the front chuck. And now our roll grooving tool is attached to the PTM-300. Before you install the roll grooving tool, you can reinstall the retainer rings located right here. We've got a set screw that can be loosened up for both retainer rings. They can be slid off of the rails and then put back on after you install the roll grooving tool. So if you're afraid of somebody knocking this off, install the retainer rings right here so it will not come off of the rails. Now let me explain the components. We've got our main handle, we've got our drive roller, and we've got our groove roller up here. If you notice right here on the end, it says, I think a pipe size, 1.25 inches up to 6 inches. So you will not be able to fit a 1-inch pipe over this, and you're gonna have to do that to be able to start the groove rolling process, right? So if we take a 1-inch pipe, let's take a 1-inch pipe real quick. Try to put it over. Nope, it's not gonna go over. But if we take 1.5 inches, goes right over, all right, 1.5 inches. So to begin the process of using the groove rolling machine, you're going to want to make sure, of course, that's clamped, it's tight. We're going to want to get our foot pedal, move it over here in the front, take the switch, put it in the forward position, take the pipe. See, there's no groove in the pipe before we start the process. Put it over that drive shaft and line it up like that. I'm going to take my main handle and I'm going to move it down onto that pipe to where it's snug like that. We'll snug it down a little more. Got the main handle tightened so the pipe is clamped down pretty good. I got the switch in the forward position. Foot pedals right beneath me. Now I'm going to gently start to adjust this main handle to tighten it down on that pipe, and that way we can dig into the pipe and start to create that groove. So as I do that, I'm going to try to keep the pipe straight, but I'm also going to kind of pull it towards me a little bit. So here we go. And there we go. We got a nice groove. Run that handle back out. Take a look at that. Look at that. I think the key to this is making sure that first you adjust this down. That way that pipe is tight. Making sure that the pipe is straight with the machine, and then you're just gonna hold it. That way it doesn't go out of place, because it can easily go out of place. In fact, I can probably show you that with another piece of pipe that we have groove rolled. Take a look at this one. See that? Came out of place, doesn't look right at all. But if you put these two beside each other, you'll see that this one looks really good. See, this one doesn't look good because I didn't hold it in place. This one looks great. Once you get that groove in the pipe, you want to get a measurement tool and measure that groove. Make sure it's right, make sure it has the proper depth, and that it's to manufacturer spec. Something you may need is a stand. If you have a very long piece of pipe that you're using the roll groove tool with, you may need a stand to hold that long pipe. Hope you enjoyed learning how to use a roll grooving machine like the one that Bluerock has that they use as an attachment to their pipe threading machine. If you haven't seen the pipe threading machine video, go check it out. I did a how to use a pipe threading machine using Bluerock Tools PTM-300. Go check out that. Links in the description so you can learn more. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Hope you learned something. If you did, let me know what it was down in the comments. You got a question? Remember, questions can lead to new content. So put your questions down below. But if you don't have a question, that's okay. Let me know who you are and let me know where you're from. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, smash that bell, ding, so you know what I'm doing. You want more videos like this? Go check out my playlist, HVAC Tips for Technicians. Got hundreds of videos of live experience in the field as a technician to help you be a better technician. You've been watching HVAC Tips for Technicians. I'm Tad, this was Taddy Digest, and I'll keep you cool if you let me.